2023 Ford Super Duty trucks get Tiger look, new engine choices. Reveal it tonight. The 2023 Ford Super Duty pickup trucks have been redesigned and benefit from updated exterior and interior styling. The Super Duty now offers tech such as an onboard generator, new trailer assists, a head-up display and access to a 5G wireless network. Ford's heavy-duty lineup also adds new and improved powertrains, including a newly standard gas-fed 6.8-liter V8 and an enhanced power-stroke diesel. The 2023 Ford Super Duty is redesigned with fresh styling elements, updated powertrains. While the F250 and F350 and F450 are still primarily heavy-duty workhorses, Ford enhances them with features aimed at taking the trucks to another level of capability and functionality. They will square off, as always, against Chevrolet Silverado HD and Ram HD models that are also freshening up this time of year. The 2023 Super Duty lineup rolls out with 7 different grille designs, which vary among the trim levels and available appearance packages. The most notable visual update is the truck's C-shaped lighting elements. All models can now be fitted with LED headlights. The addition of long side vents is said to improve the truck's aerodynamics. Super Duty trucks can also be dressed up with the new design packages that offer unique trim. The new XL off-road package specifically includes 33-inch all-terrain tires, skid plates, an electronic locking rear diff, and more, and is only available on the single rear axle 4-wheel drive F250 and F350. Inside, the Super Duty trucks receive an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that's standard starting on the XL model. Higher trim levels are equipped with a 12-inch unit. Audiophiles can choose from a 640-watt 8-speaker B&O sound system or a more powerful 1080-watt 80-speaker B&O setup. Other desirable interior features that are available include a configurable 12-inch digital gauge cluster, a wireless charging pad, and a slot on the center console that's designed to hold a table upright. Those looking to relax will appreciate the Super Duty's optional Max Recline seats that fold nearly flat and incorporate a lower cushion that rises to create an even more comfortable position. Updated powertrain options. For 2023, the standard engine on the Super Duty is a new gas-fed 6.8-liter V8. It pairs with a 10-speed automatic transmission just like all the other available engines. Also, like all the other engines, Ford isn't saying how much horsepower or torque any of them make, but we expect them to meet or beat their previous outputs. That includes the gas-burning 7.3-liter V8, which receives revised tuning and an improved air intake. The Power-stroke diesel 6.7-liter V8 remains a staple of the Super Duty lineup, and there is new high-output version with updated tuning, a unique turbocharger, and revised exhaust manifolds. Ford estimates the enhancements will make it the most powerful diesel truck in its class. Also, new for 2023, all models starting with the XLT come standard with 4-wheel drive. Perhaps the most notable updates to the 2023 Super Duty trucks are their myriad new tech-focused features. It's the first time they are available with a 5G wireless connection that helps the infotainment system perform quicker and allows up to 10 devices to connect to a Wi-Fi hotspot. Plus, Ford makes its mightiest trucks available with its 2 kW onboard generator, A.K.A. Power on board. The Super Duty can also equipped with a head-up display for the first time, and there are new driver assist features too. The list includes adaptive cruise control with stop and go functionality, as well as lane centering assist. The addition of front and rear emergency braking helps prevent the giant pickups from colliding with objects at low speeds. Ford hasn't yet released pricing for the 2023 Super Duty lineup. However, the company says it will release those figures closer to the time the trucks enter production, which should be sometime early next year. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.